I'm today in front of me XIAOMI 11T and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and go to the passwords and security. Now just go here to the privacy section, and here you get the SIM lock section. Tap here and tap on the switcher. Right now just type your new password, for example 1234, and confirm. Now you get here the SIM pin on your SIM card. You can also change the SIM pin. Now just here you have to type your SIM pin or the alt and then just confirm with the new one. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.